How's it going? Today in Halloween drawings, we're going to go over how to draw a smiling skull, okay? It's going to be simple, easy for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner and you don't really know how to draw, this is the perfect spot. I'm going to be using this, a Crayola brand marker, and this is regular printing paper. That's pretty much it. If you like this subject matter or you pretty much like Halloween drawings in general, I'm going to post almost every day until Halloween. So hit the subscribe button right now. When you click the subscribe and the bell notification, it's going to let you know when I post, because I only post 3 months out of the year because it's a seasonal channel. So let us get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a left eye socket by drawing a line right there. That's going to curve down here. I'm going to extend this down a little bit. And a line here. So that eye socket's going to be a little bit of a different shape because I want it to look like it's smiling. Line over here. Out. More or less, I'm just doing a mirror shape of that. Down. Here. Gonna go right here to the middle and put a line in the middle there. It's gonna be for the nasal cavity. I'm gonna start that. Out. Out. Down. Up. Back. Line over here. Line over here. And now I'm going to make a smile type line first. Below that. And I'm going to draw the teeth in here. So I'm going to kind of draw these lines every now and then. Like so. All right, I'm gonna fill in these shapes because you know that it's the cavity, right? It's the like the eye sockets and stuff. So it's gonna be dark when you look into this. So I'm gonna fill that in. Over here. There we go. Gonna go here on this side now, so we fill those in. I put these two dimples right here, the dimples of the skull. I forget what they're called. I gotta look up the name of that, but I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna put like a dot right here, and the reason is I'm gonna draw the cheekbones, okay? So I'm gonna go this direction. I'm gonna start here, go down, in. Down, in. Okay? Over here, same thing. Down, in. Almost like an L shape. And that is the zygomatic arch. Right? They call this basically the cheekbone. They call it zygomatic arch. Don't forget, if you want to become a better artist, go check out the description. I have Skillshare courses where I have entire courses on how to get better specifically. Like go over very specific anatomy lessons. Like I go over the chest, and it has a whole course for itself. The back, the legs. You know, basically, anime. I have all that stuff on my Skillshare, and right now it's going to give it to you for 1 month free. When you sign up to Skillshare, it's going to give you, like, you can see everything there for free. So go check that out. That link in the description. You're going to see every course I have. So I'm going to go up here now, and I'm going to go up from that line and in. Same way. Up, in. Up, in. Going to do that dome shape, of course, for the top of the head, the cranium. Right there. Okay. Draw a line here in the center for kind of the ridge of the middle of the forehead. You can do a straight line, or you can do a line like I did. It's kind of wiggly line. Usually I make those lines thinner because that's the detail. And I'm going to draw the bottom of the face. So I'm going to go down in a stair step, okay? So down, in, down a little bit, in, up, and then I'm going to copy that shape on that side. So right over here. There we go. Right over here. There we go. I'm going to thicken that line out just a bit on the outside because it's kind of a main line. Alrighty. And I'm going to go over here into each tooth right here, and I'm just and really thin lines if you can. Thinner than you think you need. And I'm going to just do that. Make these shapes to kind of bring out the teeth here. All right. And if you want, you can also draw the lines right here for the gums, kind of where it comes in. Like so. That is it. That is a smiling skull. If you like that, please do me a huge favor and share the video. Sharing is caring, and sharing the Halloween spirit as well. It'll bring back new visitors and, you know, just kind of new energy. Please share it. Oops. Let me see. Please share it if you can. There's a share button on the bottom here if you're on YouTube. So you can share it on Tumblr, on Reddit or Pinterest or anywhere that you're logged into. It'll just be a quick, like share button real quick. Twitter. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I want you to do one thing. I want you to stay spooky. Okay? Talk to you soon. Talk to you later.